Where's Chewy?
Wait, where's she? Whee!
There she is. Cat in the box. Cat in the box. Yeah. It's Christmas Day. And so we're having Christmas Day poached eggs. And in my stocking today, I got Malteser spread. So that's going on the toast as well. You can open it up and look. Ugh. Crunchy goodness. Merry Christmas, Jerry. Merry Christmas. Okay, bye. Another cat in the bag.
Chewy. Hey. Let's eat this.
This belongs to our series of cat in bag. So cute. Yeah. Hello. You're so cute. So this one's perfect, and this is what we shall focus on. These two, not so much, but this one's perfect. Merry Christmas. Tiredness. Chewy's sick of our Christmas shirt, isn't she? Taping. On our way to Christmas Eve / Christmas Day for Thomas. Christmas. Today it's -10 and really windy. I accidentally filmed someone committing a crime. They were celebrating Christmas Eve by smoking marijuana outside of a courthouse, which is a really clever thing to do. Found this Christmas elf in the underground and he's gonna follow me home and he's gonna help me give out all my Christmas presents. Grinch. You're not the Grinch. He's happy. Da-da. Hey, so that was my Christmas Eve and Christmas Day celebration. I hope it was okay that I mashed them together, and I wish I had filmed a bit more, but then again I was having such a nice time that I forgot, so not really sad about that. I hope you had a really good Christmas too. I hope you've all enjoyed yourselves. I hope you've eaten lots of chocolate, lots of cheese, played games and had a great time. Next video, I was thinking I would talk a bit about what it's like after Christmas Day. We tend to get a bit of the blues after Christmas. And I thought I would talk a little bit about that and a little bit about what happens when all the excitement is gone from Christmas and what we can do to make ourselves feel better. I want to say as well that I got a really lovely comment on my last video. So to the person who sent me that comment, thank you very much. It was really appreciated. And I would really like it if I got more comments. So if you want to write a comment, please do. I really appreciate it. So yeah, I want to say take care and I'll see you next time. Bye.